nearly 40 years, Rainbow International has provided restoration and professional deep cleaning and sanitizing services to businesses. We're experts at cleaning to achieve a healthy environment to work in. The health of you, your business, and the customers that have become part of your community is our top priority. Customers are more likely to purchase from companies that provide clean and safe store environments. We're here to help you give them that peace of mind. Our deep cleaning process will employ proper PPE equipment. We will clean all high-touch surfaces like door handles, menus, countertops, and bathroom fixtures with an EPA-registered disinfectant. We will provide a safety data sheet to you and follow all instructions on the cleaning product's label, making sure to allow proper dwell time. Your floors will be cleaned thoroughly, and we will return regularly to make sure they stay that way. Rainbow International experts are ready to prepare your business for reopening. Why Rainbow? We've been industry experts since 1981. Our service professionals undergo superior training and are provided with technologically advanced equipment. Our franchisees are best in class, employing certified technicians who are insured with background checks. We put pride in our quick responses 24/7. While the world is operating a little differently now, one thing remains the same. We are Rainbow International, making sure you're living happily even after. Call the experts at Rainbow International for your professional cleaning and emergency restoration needs.